Oh, she's putting the tripod on. What? You're like...
Don't worry, folks. We have a warranty. I'm just letting them know.
Of the camera. Look at the shot. Is it in?
Mm-hmm.
That's what she said.
Alright, so we're here and we're about to head to the beach. Ready to go?
Let's get on.
Let's go. Alright,
Bro, I love this camera.
My name is Jeff.
Okay.
hey guys.
It's Daily and Lexi, and this is our very first vlog.
Yeah?
And we just got Starbucks.
Holy grail right here.
I don't have mine. I already drank it. I'm bad driver.
I can turn this car around. Why does everyone say I'm a bad driver?
You're not a bad driver.
Are you kidding? Like, you're any better?
I drive like an asshole, I will admit.
I drive with caution, I drive with speed, I drive with alertness.
So you're also an asshole driver. It's okay.
Such bad road rage. You guys are gonna learn all the colorful words today. Alright. Come at me.
something real quick? I'm rude, I know. People are gonna think I'm the mean one, but I'm just... Where did he go? He's dead. Hold on.
We're still figuring out which way.
We're almost there. It's Shark Week!
So we've been under this thing taking pictures for so long.
They all kind of suck,
and
like...
No, Daly got some really good headshots. But like there's a bunch of people over there. Yeah, and over
like
there.
Losers. Okay,
I think that kid goes to our school.
Who?
Over there.
No.
Yeah, he does. His name's like Chris or something. And my red, white, and blue bottoms with this blue top that Daly just gave to me this morning to use.
Yeah, my boots would not fit in that. They barely fit in those. So we just got ice waters.
And my car won't cool down.
And fun fact, you can't, as a worker at Dunkin' Donuts, put in lemons. You have to have them on the side. That's a thing. Okay, we're at the window. Alright.
There's no wallet.
Okay, so we've reached the end of our vlog, and we just want to say thank you for watching.
And hopefully you watched the whole thing.
And if you didn't, that's fine too.
Exactly. We thought we were entertaining today.
That's all that matters.
We hope that you can like, comment, and subscribe to help us get ideas for what we should do next for this channel.
And follow our Instagram.
Yeah, we're gonna have them right here. Hopefully, if we can figure that out.
We're new at this. Give us some time.
But yeah, we want our channel to be a fun, funny, free environment.
Honest.
Yeah.
And just be real like the whole time. Like,
And we want to.
scripts or whatever.
Yeah. We want to do some really funny story times because we have a lot of stupid stories that could be interesting.
Definitely. Just a bunch of different things.
Mhm.
We'll take suggestions.
Of course, nothing's off limits with us.
No, we're crazy.
As long as it's fun to do, we don't care. Alright, so thanks for watching, and we hope you can visit our channel again. We hope to upload at least two times a week at least.
Oh, that was exciting. Wow, we're like, yeah.
But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe.
We hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye! I kind of liked that.
Yeah.
Should we watch it?
Yeah.
I feel like it was a bit...